Hello and welcome. This is Hena Talati and you are watching It's Tomorrow News. A series of strong earthquakes rattled northwest and southwest China, leaving at least 3 people dead in the mountainous area. Later on, state agencies said that at least 22 others had been injured. More than 20,000 people have been evacuated from the earthquake-prone regions. The first quake was in Yunnan province in southwestern China, which had a magnitude of 6.1 that struck first at 9:48 p.m. Friday near the city of Dali, a popular tourist destination. It was followed by at least 2 aftershocks. Then a few hours later, at more than 1,200 kilometers away, a 7.3 magnitude quake jolted China's sparsely populated Guangxi province in the northwest, followed by an aftershock. Both Guangxi province in the northwest on the Tibetan plateau and Yunnan province in the southwestern China are areas prone to earthquakes. Both tremors were shallow, meaning they generally cause more damage. In Yunnan, the provincial government said some buildings had been collapsed and others had been damaged. In the major houses, the ceiling lamps were swinging and vases fell off the shelves. The group of people had run outdoors after the quake. The China Earthquake Network Center warned people to stay away from the buildings. The quake monitor said the earthquake followed a series of smaller quakes less than an hour before. After a few hours of this Yunnan quake, more than 1,200 kilometers away, 7.3 magnitude quake jolted China's sparsely populated Guangxi province in the northwest, followed by an aftershocks. Agencies said the epicenter was located in Madao County, said it struck 8 kilometers below the surface. The roads were damaged in Madao County while the aftershocks continued on Saturday morning with multiple smaller tremors recorded by China's earthquake administrations. Officials believed only a small number of houses would be damaged. More than 1 lakh people live in the area, the vast majority of them in rural communities. Agencies expected that there can be significant economic losses and damage from the quake. The Yunnan Seismological Bureau said it received a report of 1 death and 6 injuries in the area. The area experiences frequent seismic activity. In 2020, a magnitude 5 earthquake in Yunnan killed 4 people and injured 23, according to the China's Earthquake Network Center. China's 2 large quakes today are not likely directly connected with each other, and their epicenters are approximately 500 miles apart, but both are ultimately caused by the enormous tectonic forces at play in the ongoing continental collision between the Indian subcontinent against the underneath Eurasia, creating the Himalayan mountain belts and raising the Tibet plateau. China is regularly hit by earthquakes, especially in its mountainous western and southwestern regions. A powerful 7.9 magnitude quake in southwest Sichuan province in 2008 left 87,000 people dead or missing. In February 2003, a powerful 6.8 magnitude quake killed 268 people in Xinjiang and caused significant damage. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like this, and please subscribe our channel.